Hi guys, let's review daily homework page number 109. So, begin with your name, and today's date is April 1st. Sign it with your best cursive writing. All right, our first question is 4,904 plus 5,087. We've talked about lots of different ways to do these kind of adding questions. I'm going to show you one that we talked about. One way that we can look at it is look at our place values and match them up. So we have 4,000 here and 5,000 here. That makes 9,000. Then we have 900 here and 0 here, so that makes 900. We have 0 here and 8 tens here. That's 80. And then we have 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7 is 11. Now, if we look here, we have 9,980 and 11. This 11, we're going to have to split it up so that it makes more sense with this tens place. So 11 is 10 plus 1. So what we have here, this 80 and 10, that's 90. So now we have 9,991. 9,981. Okay. All right, let's look at question 2. Question 2 is 24 divided by 3. Okay, lots of different ways we can look at this. One way to think of it is, how many 3's does it take to make 24? All right, what times 3 would get us to 24? So if we look at the multiples of 3, we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Oh, there's our 24. So that takes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 steps to get there. 8 times 3 is 24. So if 8 times 3 is 24, then we know 24 divided by 3 is 8. All right, now we have a pattern here, 21, 42, 63. We need to figure out how are we getting from one number to the next. All right, so 21 to get to 42. All right, well, if we added 20 to 21, that would be 41. So then one more, it's 21. It's doubled is what it's done. From 42 to 63, if we add 20, that would be 62. So one more would be 21. Oh, look at that. We've gone 21, 21. So our pattern must be adding 21 each time. Okay, so 63 plus 21. Well, 63 plus 20 would be 83, and one more would be 84. 84 plus 21, 84 plus 20 would be 104. So 21, put one more on there, 105. 105 plus 21, well, 105 plus 20 would be 125. And then one more would get us to 126. So our missing numbers are 84, 105, and 126. I'm just going to take away some of this extra work here just so it's a little easier to see the answers. On your work, though, you do not have to hide your work, guys. Show your work. I love seeing it. All right. This math square here, I want to know what the sum is. So when I look at this here, we've got 17, 13, 15, and 17. It's a little bit of a difficult one to do in our heads. But the first thing I looked at was this number right here. I looked at 13 and 17, and I said to myself, well, you know what? If I took 2 from 17 and put it on the 13, then that would be 15 and 15. And I know 10 plus 10 is 20, and 5 plus 5 is 10. So together, these make 30. So then I have 30 with those two. Now, the next one I'm looking at over here is 15. So if I go 30 and 10, that gives me 40. And another 5 would get me to 45. So that would take out, I would have all of these ones done. That would get me to 45. Now, if I'm adding 45 to 17, well, I know 45 plus 10 would be 55. So then I would just have 55 plus another 7. I know 55 and 5 is 60, and 2 more would get me to 62. There's lots of different ways you can do it, though. Number 5, it says E times 2 is equal to 1 plus 19. So the first thing you need to do is you got to figure out this 1 plus 19. We got to make this just one number so that we're not dealing with the 1 plus 19. So 1 plus 19 is 20. So then we're looking at what number times 2 equals 20. Well, if I know that 20 divided by 2 equals 10, then I know that 10 times 2 equals 20. So my E has got to be 10. Okay? Don't forget to do 10 to 20 minutes of Lexia today, and make sure you write down what you read and what you learned when you were reading. All right, guys? I'll talk to you later.